So we're going to multiply decimals using lattice multiplication. I've already set up my box for this particular problem, but we're going to walk through a couple more. So the first thing I want to do is I want to just multiply. I can start wherever I want. 3 times 1 is 3. Let me change that. 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. Now, I'm going to go along my diagonals. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 6 plus 0 is 14. I'm going to put down my 4 and carry my 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And since I have two decimals, I need two decimals behind the decimal place. So I'm going to come down here to this one, across to this one. They're going to meet right there. They're going to slide down the side. And so the answer to this problem is 14 and 94 hundredths. So let's look at the next one. It says Peyton purchased 3.89 pounds of candy for $1.45 a pound. How much did she spend? So I'm going to set up my box. Make sure I give myself plenty of room. And then I've got 3.89 and 1.45. When I do this, I want to make sure that my lines are at the decimal. Just makes life easier. Remember, they don't have to be perfect because mine never are. Just as long as you can get the numbers in there and tell where your diagonals are. So here we go. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. So now I'm going to add along my diagonals. 5 plus nothing is 5. 6 plus 4 plus 0 is 10. Put down my 0. Carry my 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. Plus 9 is 23. Plus 1 is 24. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. Plus 8 is 14. Plus 0 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. Put down my 6. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Don't need anything there. I can put my 0 if I like. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. So this decimal is going to come down to here. This one's going to come out to play here. They're going to slide down this slide. Here's my 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. So the answer is going to be 5 and 6,405 ten-thousandths. And I'm not sure that's correct. But it appears that it is. Next problem says, Dasa ordered 42 Beyblades. He paid $6.75 for each. How much did he spend? So again, I'm going to set up my box. And I'm going to put 675 on top with my decimal there and 42. Remember, I do not need a decimal on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines. Again, being as neat as I can, but remembering it doesn't have to be perfect. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. And 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 2 is 14. 6 times 2 is 12. Now I'm going to add along my diagonals. 0 plus nothing is 0. 4 plus 1 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 8 is 11, plus 2 is 13. Down my 3, carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus nothing is 2. So I have 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I need 2 numbers behind the decimal in my answer. So this one is a lucky decimal. It's just going to slide down the slide all the way down to here, and here's my 2 numbers behind the decimal. So the answer is $283.50. I hope this helps. Have a great day.